Today, we are addressing chronic stress and burnout, something that affects almost everyone. If you feel constantly overwhelmed, exhausted, this video is for you. Stick around till the end of the video. I'm going to share some bonus tips at the end. So, stay around. Hi, welcome back to Self Healing Mastery with Meghlata. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you're yet to subscribe and if you're interested in healing related topics. Also, remember to hit that bell icon to get notification. Let's jump into the topic. Chronic stress is not just in your head, it lives in your body, it affects your nervous system, it affects your hormones, your heart, and also it impacts your sleep, your digestion, and it impacts almost everything. But here is the good news, you can heal stress very naturally. Today, I'm going to guide you through two powerful healing practices, a kitchen remedy with adaptogenic golden milk to calm your nervous system, and heart chakra healing meditation to release emotional stress and restore balance. So take a deep breath, get comfortable. Let's release the stress together. Let's start with a very powerful stress relieving drink from Ayurvedic tradition. This warm, soothing drink calms your nervous system, supports glands, and helps your body adapt to stress. These are the ingredients. This is the golden milk I prepared just now with all the ingredients added. Just to show you, I've made it and I'm also drinking it. Tasting amazing. So, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of ashwagandha powder, a pinch of cinnamon powder, little bit of black pepper. I'll tell you why we need to add black pepper. Of course, I've added a little bit of honey in this. How to make this? Heat 1 cup of milk. You don't have to boil it. Just heat it. Add all these ingredients, all the 4 ingredients together, and simmer it for about 3 to 5 minutes. That's all is required. You don't have to boil it a lot. You will see the milk turning into a beautiful golden color. Pour it in a glass. And if you're a non-diabetic, go ahead and add honey and make it more tastier. Adding a little bit of cinnamon and honey enhances its taste and make it a more interesting, fun drink, instead of boring routine ritual. Let me tell you why each ingredient is so powerful in this. Turmeric contains a substance called curcumin, and this is anti-inflammatory in nature, and it also controls your cortisol, which is your stress hormone. It literally tells your body you can relax now. Okay. Ashwagandha is an adaptogen, which means it helps your body to adapt to stress. It lowers your anxiety, reduces your cortisol level, and it also improves your sleep quality. It's used in Ayurveda for thousands of years to calm your mind. Why we add black pepper? Black pepper contains pepperine, which boosts turmeric absorption by up to 2000%. Without this pepperine of black pepper, your body cannot absorb the curcumin that is present in turmeric properly. So, this tiny pinch make all the difference. Why we are adding honey and cinnamon? They add gentle sweetness to this beautiful drink. And cinnamon also helps in balancing sugar and makes the drink like a loving ritual, not just a boring medicine. Your kitchen is your pharmacy. Make use of it well. Now, let's move to the emotional and energetic layers of stress with heart chakra healing. Your heart chakra is located in the center of your chest. This is the energy center of love, compassion, forgiveness, peace, and emotional balance. When you're stressed, your heart chakra becomes blocked. You feel closed off, anxious, heavy, disconnected. Stress literally shuts down your heart. But when your heart chakra is open and balanced, you feel calm, peaceful, loved, and you feel safe, even in the middle of chaos. Let's open and heal your heart chakra together. This will release the emotional stress you're carrying, and this will restore your inner peace. For doing this meditation, sit in a quiet place, keep your eyes closed, take a deep breath in and out. Breathe in deeply, breathe out through your mouth. Breathe in, out. Bring your awareness to the center of your chest, which is your heart space. Just notice what you feel there. You may be feeling tension there. You may be feeling heaviness there. Maybe nothing at all. Whatever it is, it's fine. It's just okay. Now visualize a beautiful green glowing light in the center of your chest. This is your heart chakra. See it glowing softly like a gentle flame. With each breath, This green light grows brighter, warmer, expanding outward. When you're breathing in, the light grows. When you're breathing out, the light expands. This green light fills your entire chest now. It fills your shoulders, your arms, your throat. It fills your belly, and you're surrounded by this healing green light. This light is pure love. This light is pure compassion. It dissolves all the stress, all the anxiety, and all the fear that you have been carrying. Now place both hands on your heart. Feel the warmth there. Feel the love there. Keeping your hands on your heart, repeat these affirmations with me. You can repeat it loud if you want, or you can say it silently in your heart, whichever is comfortable for you. I am worthy of love. I forgive myself for carrying the stress. I release all tension from my heart. My heart is open and healed. I am safe. I am loved. I am at peace. I trust life to support me. Take one more deep breath. Feel the peace in your heart. Feel the lightness in your chest. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. You have just activated your heart chakra and released deep emotional stress. Your heart is open, your body is calm. Let's recap what we did today to heal chronic stress. First, we saw how we can prepare adaptogenic gold milk to calm your nervous system, to lower your cortisol, and support your adrenal health. This addresses your stress at a physical level. Then we did heart chakra healing meditation to release emotional stress and restore peace and balance. This is holistic healing. We are addressing stress on multiple levels: physical, emotional, and energetic. Right? So, for the best results, drink this golden milk at least 3 to 5 times a week, or especially on a very high stress day, wind up your evening with this glass of milk. Then do heart chakra meditation whenever you feel stressed. Even 2 to 3 minutes should help you. Visualize a green light around you and just breathe normally with awareness. This creates a beautiful ritual that signals to your body that it's safe to rest now. If you're in your perimenopause or midlife, chronic stress makes every symptom worse. It multiplies your symptoms. If you're having hot flashes, if you are undergoing stress, it will multiply your hot flashes. It will multiply your mood swings if you're going through mood swings during your perimenopause life. Similarly, it impacts your insomnia, it impacts your weight gain, it multiplies all your perimenopause symptoms. So these practices, if you do during your perimenopause, this will support your hormonal changes as well. I want to share some bonus tips. Number one, reduce caffeine. Swap one coffee for herbal tea and your adrenals will thank you. Number two, move your body gently. Yoga, walking, stretching, simple stretching will do. Nothing intense, just gentle movement to release the stored stress from your body. Okay. Number three, set boundaries. Learn to say no more often. Protect your energy. Number four, throughout the day, take 3 deep breaths. It's very simple but very powerful. You have to develop that practice, that's all. It's all doable by everybody. These are all very simple practices, but we just overlook them. We can easily adapt as part of our routine every day. Get outside. Nature is the best stress reliever. Even stepping 10 minutes outside in nature helps a lot. If this video has helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more natural healing practices. Comment below and tell me what's your biggest source of stress right now. Let's support each other. Thank you for being here. Love you.